Kurunji Senior Secondary School, CBSE, Namakkal.
Successful result producing school in state every year.
Administered by the Board of Directors with over 35 years of experience in the teaching field.
Special attention on art, craft, music, dance, silambam, yoga, skating and karate.
Focus on Hindi Sabha and Spell Bee Olympiad exams.
Smart class for effective and innovative learning and well-furnished library.
Solitary importance on sports and games in state and national level.
WhatsApp facilities to know activities of students and school inside the campus.
Free bus for LKG to 8th standard.
Free, hygienic and nutritious food.
NEET, JEE, IIT coaching experts from Rajasthan and Andhra Pradesh along with our effective teachers.
Admission registration for classes LKG to +2.
Kurunji Education Institution, Kavetipatti, Namakkal. Admission in progress. CBSE, KG to 12, contact 9025895176. Metric 6 to 12, contact 9344567484. For online admission, log on to www.kurunjischoolnkl.in.
Good morning, students. In this session, we are going to start the second part of organic compound contains nitrogen atom. Already in my previous session, first part amines chapter is completed. Now diazonium salts. Actually, CBSE board announced recently diazonium salt is reduced. This portion is reduced or eliminated this year board exam. But in the NEET point of view, diazonium salts are very, very important. That's why I explain this concept only based on the NEET point of view. So see here, diazonium salts. Listen, ma. Aromatic diazonium salts were discovered by John Peter Greases. Very, very important. Aromatic diazonium salts were discovered by John Peter Greases in 1858. In 1858. Okay, so now here important point is the aromatic diazonium salts actually discovered in 1858. They are represented by the general formula ArN2X. Ar is nothing but aromatic ring, N2 is nothing but diazonium group, and X is nothing but halogen group such as anion groups. So this is the general representation equation of or general formula of the diazonium salt. Who was discovered first time diazonium salts in the laboratory? The scientist name is John Peter Grease. John Peter Grease in 1858. So now here Ar is represented aryl group or aromatic group or benzene ring, and X minus here N plus X minus. X minus is nothing but either chlorine, bromine, bisulfate and BF4 NO3 nitrate ions. And N triple bond N, you know, in between of the two nitrogen atoms of nitrogen molecule, triple bonds are there. So that's why N2 is commonly known as diazonium group, the diazonium group. Okay ma? This is the general information and introduction of diazonium salt. And important point, my dear students, aliphatic diazonium salt. This is the aromatic category, but aliphatic diazonium salts are also known, but they are highly unstable and decompose even at room temperature to give carbocation and nitrogen gas. Now, Ar instead of R, Ar is there na, adida actually aromatic diazonium salt. But in case of the aliphatic diazonium salt also same behavior like aromatic diazonium salt, but aliphatic diazonium salts are very unstable, high unstable and easily to decompose even at room temperature. At 27 degrees centigrade Celsius also, these aliphatic diazonium salts are easily to decompose, hence to give carbocation and nitrogen gas. So see this one, actually aliphatic diazonium halides are aliphatic diazonium salt. Under decomposition, R plus, this is nothing but carbocation, and N2 nitrogen molecule, additionally halogen group are separated. This is the introduction, Anna. Once again, ma, diazonium salts are to play very important key role in the chemistry and medicinal purpose. John Peter Gries in 1858, he was discovered the aromatic diazonium salt. See, my dear students, comparing to aliphatic diazonium salt and aromatic diazonium salt are frequently using in the all kind of aspects like medicine and industrial, but both of them is a unsaturated, both of them is a unstable, highly reacted, unstable and highly reacted. Both of them means here aromatic diazonium salt, also aliphatic diazonium salt. Especially aliphatic diazonium salt, it can easily to decompose at even room temperature also. Okay, Nana? Now, nomenclature of diazonium salts. See, arranged diazonium salt is nothing but aromatic group of the diazonium salt. Arranged diazonium salts are named by adding the suffix diazonium to the name of the parent aromatic compound from which they are related, followed by the name of the anion. Now some examples see here. Actually, in case of arranged diazonium, aromatic diazonium salt, the suffix name is added to the parent aromatic compound. The suffix name is the diazonium. Now see, this compound name is, my dear students, benzene diazonium chloride. So this is a benzene parent chain, diazonium chloride, diazonium chloride. Diazonium chloride is the suffix name. Whenever this suffix name is added to the parent chain, which is a parent chain here, benzene ring is a parent chain. So benzene, after suffix name of the diazonium is added to the parent chain. That's why this compound name is benzene diazonium chloride. So now here, this is a benzene group or nothing but AR group, aromatic group, and N2, it's a diazonium group. Chlorine is a halogen group. So benzene diazonium chloride. Now this compound name is you see, maybe N2Cl group is not present in this compound. The compound name is the toluene. So benzene contains methyl group, that is called toluene. But additionally here, diazonium chloride also connected to benzene ring. That's why this compound name is orthotoluene. Because of diazonium is a senior group, here orthotoluene diazonium chloride. This compound name is orthotoluene diazonium chloride. Orthotoluene is nothing but parent chain. This parent chain directly added to the suffix name of diazonium chloride. That's why this compound name is orthotoluene diazonium chloride. Orthotoluene, O stands for orthotoluene diazonium chloride. Now third example, see here, this compound name is p-toluene diazonium hydrogen sulfate. H stands for hydrogen, P para position, ortho meta para position, para-toluene diazonium hydrogen sulfate, this compound name. And now this compound name is N2Br, Kila CH3 is there. It's not visible in your video, just see Nana. In down CH3 group is there. This compound name is p-toluene diazonium bromide. P-toluene diazonium bromide. P-toluene diazonium bromide. Now this one, p-bromobenzene diazonium hydrogen sulfate. Para-bromobenzene diazonium hydrogen sulfate. Why here para-bromobenzene? This is entire the group is a para position of bromo benzene, para-bromobenzene diazonium hydrogen sulfate. And last and final example for aromatic category of the diazonium salts. Now here para-nitrobenzene diazonium fluoroborate. Diazonium fluoroborate. Once again, para-nitrobenzene diazonium fluoroborate. These are the generally nomenclature of especially aromatic diazonium salts are nothing but aryl diazonium salts da. Okay nana. Now another important part is stability of the diazonium salts, especially aromatic diazonium salt or nothing but aryl diazonium salt. What is the stability of aromatic diazonium salt? See here, aryl diazonium salts are much more stable than alkyl diazonium salts. That's the most important. In case of aromatic diazonium salt, alkyl diazonium salt, which is a more stable generally, my dear students, aryl diazonium salts are much more stable than alkyl diazonium salt. The stability of aryl diazonium salt can be attributed to the following reasoning structure. Attributed to the following reasoning structure due to the dispersal of the positive charge over the benzene ring. Now my question, my dear students, why diazonium salt, especially aryl diazonium salts, are more stable than the aliphatic diazonium salt? Here only reason is the benzene ring reasoning structure. Benzene ring resonance structure, that is the most important, and positive charge over the benzene ring. So resonating structures are present in the benzene ring because of alternate double bonds are present in this benzene ring. That's why comparing to aliphatic diazonium salt, alkyl diazonium salt, aryl diazonium salts are more stable. Now see here resonance structure. This is the diazonium salt. In this diazonium salt, nitrogen has positive charge, triple bond, and one lone pair of electrons are there here. One lone pair of electron. இப்போ இங்க ஒரு one lone pair of electrons இருக்கனா என்னாச்சு, the pi electrons are migrated to right side of the nitrogen atom. Here migrated means this pi electron from the benzene ring pi electron is shifted to the in between of the benzene ring to nitrogen. This is the first step to delocalization of the pi electrons right now here, or nothing but conjugation. Here conjugation is possible. Here from the benzene ring the pi electrons are migrated to N2 batch, and in between of the N2 one pi electrons are migrated to the nitrogen. This is the first part of the resonance of benzene ring. Hence after that what happened here, if in this pi electrons is migrated to mela, now here carbocation is formed. You know that very well, carbocations are more reactive. Hence immediately in the reasoning point of view, this pi electron again to replace this carbocation place, replace the carbocation place. Hence as usual here mela positive charge or negative charge is there, already is accepted one pi electron to second nitrogen atom. It has two lone pair of electron. This is the second resonance structure of the diazonium salt. And third resonance structure, already in between of the benzene ring to diazonium group pi electrons are there. These pi electrons are migrated to here benzene ring, hence finally the see here in this first example the double bonds are between alternate carbon atom. Here also changed. For example, this is the first carbon, nana. This is the first carbon, second carbon, third carbon, fourth carbon, fifth carbon, sixth carbon. In the first time in the diazonium salt, the double bonds are between 1 to second carbon and 3 to 4 carbon and 5 to 6 carbon. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So 1 to 2, 3 to 4 and 5 to 6. So in between of the carbon atom double bonds are there. But now here where is located 1 to 3 is not there because of the pi electrons are completely delocalization or conjugation. Hence the resonance structure of the benzene ring should be changes. That's why my dear student, this is a basic reason why aryl diazonium salts are much more stable than the alkyl diazonium salt, because of the stability of aryl diazonium salt can be attributed to the reasoning structure, especially dispersal of the positive charge of the benzene ring. Okay nana. So this is a reasoning stabilization of the diazonium cation. Now here, whereas the stability of diazonium salt, either alkyl group or aryl group, is due to their tendency to eliminate an exceptionally stable molecule of nitrogen to form carbocation. Actually, see Nana, this is a diazonium salt. The stability of the diazonium salt or alkyl group after involved in the cleavage of this bonding, finally benzene ring and also carbocation is liberated, is a plus Nana here. Carbocation is liberated and additionally nitrogen gas and halogen group is also liberated. These are the stability of diazonium salt. So comparing the alkyl diazonium salt, aryl diazonium salt is a more stable due to the resonance structure of the benzene ring. Okay ma? Now preparations of arene diazonium chloride. Arene diazonium chloride is nothing but aryl diazonium chloride preparation. Here not important of alkyl diazonium chloride, alkyl diazonium salt, only aryl diazonium salt are the most important. The first one is a diazotization reaction. Diazotization reaction in the preparation method. First only one preparation method ma diazotization process. In this process, my dear students, aromatic primary amine, very important, aromatic primary amine having NH2 group directly attaches to the nuclei. Already I said in my previous classes, nuclei is nothing but another name of the benzene. So now here aromatic primary amine having NH2 group directly attaches to the nucleus, reacted with cold aqueous solution of sodium nitrate, in the presence of the mineral acid at 273 to 278 Kelvin's temperature to form diazonium salts or diazonium chloride salts the form achi. Okay nana? So this is only one preparation method. The entirely in chemistry, especially whenever you will prepare aryl diazonium chloride, this is the best one. Which is the best one? Aromatic amines whenever treated with sodium nitrates along with mineral acid, in the presence of these are optimum condition, and finally aryl diazonium chlorides are liberated. Okay ma'am? Now physical and chemical properties of diazonium chlorides, especially aromatic diazonium chloride, physical and chemical properties. I didn't written here physical property, just I will explain right now, and chemical properties are very clearly to be explained. See Nana, first physical properties. Benzene diazonium chloride is a colorless, underline this point, benzene diazonium chloride is a colorless crystalline solid, readily soluble in water. Two important points, it's a colorless compounds and crystalline solids like as salt, rock salt, crystalline solids and readily soluble in the water, but less soluble in alcohol. Underline this point. All diazonium chloride, especially aryl diazonium chloride, easily soluble in water. There are physical state point of view crystalline solids and colorless product, colorless compounds and less soluble in alcohol. It turns brown as exposure to air, and diazonium nitrates are dangerously explosive in the dry state but harmless in the aqueous solution. Very important Nana, diazonium nitrates are dangerously explosive in the dry state but harmless in the aqueous solution. If the diazonium nitrate compounds are present in the dry state, it's highly explosive in the air, but in the aqueous solution harmless. However, fluoroborate are insoluble in water and are stable enough to the dried and stored. Some diazonium salts also form insoluble. Examples are insoluble complex with zinc chloride. These are the general physical properties of the diazonium chlorides or diazonium salts. Once again, see colorless compound, crystalline solids, readily soluble in water and less soluble in the alcohol. Now, chemical properties Nana. Actually, my dear student, the aryl diazonium salts are highly reactive compound due to the excellent leaving ability of the diazo group gas. The reactions of diazonium salts may be divided into two categories, but that category is also not mentioned right now here. Just I orally explain that two categories. First one Nana, replacement reaction. Replacement reaction means in case of see here, this is a diazonium chloride, either chlorine replacement or nitrogen replacement or benzene ring replacement. So the first category of the chemical properties of the aryl diazonium chloride, the first one is a replacement reaction. In this replacement reaction, my dear student, the reaction in which the diazonium group as a whole is replacement by the monovalent group. So replacement reaction means either benzene ring is replaced or chlorine ring is replaced or nitrogen ring is also replaced. And coupling reaction, second category is a coupling reaction. The reactions in which both nitrogen atom and retained group is nothing but halogen group is the separated. These are the two category of the chemical properties of aryl diazonium chloride, my dear students. Now the first one is, see here, replacement reaction. The replacement reaction, an example of unimolecular nucleophilic substitutional reactions of diazo group. Most important ana replacement reaction. Any replacement reaction, either halogen group or nitrogen group, its belongings to SN1 reaction. What is the full name of the SN1 reaction? Unimolecular nucleophilic substitutional reaction. Unimolecular nucleophilic substitutional reaction. Now see here, aryl diazonium chloride, after cleavage of the halogen group, hence aromatic group separated and nitrogen group is separated. Now see this aromatic group, it's nothing but carbocation. This carbocation treated with water, alcohol is liberated, is treated with cyanide, aryl cyanide is liberated, it's treated with halogen, aryl halides are liberated. This is the replacement reaction. Once again, my dear students, see carefully. This is diazonium chloride or aryl diazonium chloride. This aryl diazonium chloride, initially halogen group is separated from the aryl diazonium chloride. After aromatic group, the halogen group separated na, aromatic ring contains the carbocation, positive charge. So this carbocation against slow reaction, nitrogen group is also eliminated. Finally carbocation only is there here, aryl group of carbocations. This aryl group of carbocations generally highly reactive. These are involved in the nucleophilic substitutions reaction, SN1 reaction, with water to give alcohol, with cyanide to give aryl cyanide, with halogen to give aryl halide. This is the first replacement reaction. Now second synonym, replacement by hydrogen atom. Replacement by hydrogen atom, this is generally formation of the benzene. Replacement by hydrogen atom, this is generally formation of the benzene. See carefully here, on reductions with alkali stannous chloride, on reductions with alkali stannous chloride or alkali sodium stannate or most usable hypophosphorus acid at room temperature, preferable in presence of catalyst amount of cuprous ion to give benzene. So now this is seen as diazonium chloride treated with H3PO2 phosphorus acid in the presence of water, a copperous ion, and to give benzene ring, nitrogen molecule or nitrogen gas, HCl, H3PO3. Okay, nana? These are the liberated. So this one is a replacement by hydrogen atom to formation of the benzene ring. And third one, nana, see third one, replacement by OH group. Replacement by OH group, generally the formation of the phenol. Replacement by OH group, generally formation of the phenol. Benzene diazonium chloride on boiling with diluted sulfuric acid or diluted steam or water to give phenol. This is the best preparations method of the phenol. How we will prepare phenol from the diazonium chloride? Generally diazonium chloride treated with diluted sulfuric acid or steam. On boiling, it easily to prepare the phenol. Now see, this is a diazonium chloride treated with water or steam. So C6H5OH, it's a phenol, nitrogen gas is liberated, additionally HCl. This is the second one, replacement by OH group. And fourth one, nana, see, replacement by halogen group. Put star mark, nana, this is the most important. From the diazonium chloride, if halogen group is replaced, so these are the two categories are there, halogen group replacement, two categories are there. First one, replacement by either chlorine or bromine. Actually, if from the aryl diazonium chloride or diazonium chloride, benzene diazonium chloride, to replace it by the chlorine or bromine, hence to formation of the aryl chloride. Hence to formation of aryl chloride. These two process, either chlorine is replaced or bromine is replaced. Two scientists are discovered this two chemical reaction. First scientist name is a Sandmeyer reaction. Second one is a Getterman-Koch reaction. So 2-1, this 2-1 is the most important named reaction in NEET point of view, also board level. Sandmeyer reaction means from diazonium chloride, listen very carefully my dear student, from diazonium chloride either chlorine group or bromine group is replaced, that is called Sandmeyer reaction. Now see here, this is diazonium chloride general representation. In the presence of CuCl2, Sinana, in the presence of CuCl2 and HCl, ArCl. So ArCl means here aryl chloride group, nitrogen group, CuX group is liberated. Similarly, instead of the HCl, just you use HBr. Now here Ar, aryl bromide, nitrogen gas, CuX is liberated. So this is a general representation equation. Now the example here, diazonium chloride and treated with the CuCl and HCl. So chlorobenzene, additionally nitrogen gas and CuCl is liberated. Similarly, instead of this optimum condition, just you changes the catalyst right now here, CuBr and HBr, benzene, bromobenzene, additionally nitrogen gas and CuCl is liberated. These are the Sandmeyer reaction. Once again I repeated, what is the Sandmeyer reaction? Benzene diazonium chloride in the presence of CuCl or HCl is replaced by chlorine or bromine atom. This is nothing but Sandmeyer reaction. So once again I repeated these statements. Benzene diazonium chloride solution on reactions with cuprous chloride in hydrochloric acid or cuprous bromide in hydrobromic acid gives corresponding chlorobenzene or corresponding bromobenzene. This reaction is called Sandmeyer reaction. 3 marks point of view, this is the most important, Nana. Define or explain the Sandmeyer reactions. Okay, Nana? Especially diazonium chloride low, number of the chemical reactions are there. The first priority goes to the Sandmeyer reaction. Next one. Second one, Getterman-Koch reaction. So here the same concept like Sandmeyer reaction, but now see here, in this this is a modification reaction. Especially in this modification reaction, the aryl chloride or bromide can prepared by the Getterman-Koch, which involve the treatment of aryl diazonium salt, which CuHCl combination or CuHBr combination respectively, instead of the cuprous halide and hydrogen halides also used. Now see here, this is the diazonium chloride, but see mela copper chloride, instead of the copper chloride just use only copper. So in Getterman-Koch reaction, what are the catalysts are used? Copper and HCl combination, but Sandmeyer reaction combination CuCl and HCl, and finally products are similar. Product there is no any differ. Products are similar, but here anion, chlorine anion is liberated, but above equation compounds are liberated. That is a major differentiation. Okay, now this is a diazonium chloride treated with CuHCl, chlorobenzene, additionally nitrogen gas, and Cl minus anion is liberated. Similarly, instead of this optimum condition, just to changes the catalyst. Here Cu is common, but instead of HCl, just to use HBr. Now here bromobenzene is liberated. Okay, Nana? These two named reactions are very, very important. In my next class, I will go to discuss a replacement of the iodine. Replacement of iodine. Okay, ma? These are the, in this session, introduction of diazonium salts and stability of diazonium salt and physical and chemical properties are completed. In my next class, remaining chemical properties of diazonium salt will be continued. Okay, Nana?